In this guide, you will learn how to delete a second profile on Facebook. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is switch to your second profile that you want to delete or remove. For that, click on three bars. Click on this drop down and select your second account. Once you do that, click on three bars again. Click on the option settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now head over to account center. Now navigate to the option personal details. Click on the option account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Click your second profile. Select the option deactivate account. If you want to permanently delete it, select the option delete account and click on next. All these details will also be removed. Scroll down and click on continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in that. Now you'll need to provide the reason why do you want to delete your account. And just for that, your selected profile will be removed or deleted. So this way you can easily delete second profile on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.